Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. I want to show you in this video how to use n'importe. And it's really a lot easier than you think. Let me show you how. N'importe, I regard it as probably the most versatile expression in French. On its own, it means any, and then you can add it to a question word, and I'll show you in a minute. Plus, at the end, I can show you how to incorporate it in two expressions that are quite important if you want to speak French. First of all, let's have a look at n'importe plus question word. N'importe qui, anyone or anybody. I'll show you two examples for each one. If you say to someone, n'invite pas n'importe qui, don't invite just anyone. So you see how n'importe plus qui is just anyone. N'invite pas n'importe qui. And we tend to say the at the end of n'importe, even though I keep going on and on in lessons about how you shouldn't say the because it links better with qui. It would be quite difficult to say n'importe qui, and we don't like anything that interrupts the flow. So we say n'importe qui, and it flows a lot better. Love this one. Je ne suis pas n'importe qui, moi. Je ne suis pas n'importe qui, moi. I'm not just anybody, you know. Love hearing that one now and then. Next, if you add n'importe to quoi, you get n'importe quoi, which means anything, but it also means any old rubbish, and I'll show you that at the end of this video. Je peux parler de n'importe quoi. I can talk about anything. Je peux parler de n'importe quoi. Il raconte n'importe quoi. He's talking rubbish or he's talking nonsense. This is one way of using this expression I was telling you about. Very, very useful. It's the only way in French you can actually say rubbish, n'importe quoi. Next, we've got n'importe où, which is anywhere or wherever. For instance, elle peut dormir n'importe où. She can sleep anywhere. Elle peut dormir n'importe où. And here you've noticed we don't say the of n'importe because you can say n'importe où and it flows fine. Je laisse toujours mes clés n'importe où. I always leave my keys anywhere. Je laisse toujours mes clés n'importe où. Anytime or whenever, n'importe quand. Again, we'll say the here because there's a consonant. N'importe quand. On peut partir n'importe quand. We can leave at any time. On peut partir n'importe quand. Vous pouvez venir nous voir n'importe quand. You can visit us at any time. Vous pouvez venir nous voir n'importe quand. You've noticed here, we don't use the word visiter in French for to visit someone. This is probably the thing I've been repeating the most in my career. You don't visit someone, you go and see or you come and see someone depending on who's going where. We just don't like visiter, it's just for monuments. There is a posh expression in French which is rendre visite à. So you could say vous pouvez nous rendre visite, but it's really, really posh and nobody really uses in speech. Better to stick to venir voir or aller voir. So n'importe quel is any. If you want to say tu peux choisir n'importe quel livre, you can choose any book, as in any book you want. Tu peux choisir n'importe quel livre ou n'importe quel livre. Donnez-moi n'importe quelle bière. Give me any beer or any beer you want. Donnez-moi n'importe quelle bière. Now we've got n'importe lequel or n'importe laquelle, and I'm going to use the previous examples. If I say to you, you can choose any book, it's tu peux choisir n'importe quel livre. But if you want to say you can choose any of them, then it's tu peux prendre ou choisir n'importe lequel. N'importe lequel. Le because a book is a masculine item. And if it's a feminine item, as in a beer, whereas you had give me any beer, now we've got give me any of them. So donnez-moi n'importe quelle bière becomes donnez-moi n'importe laquelle. Give me any of them. See the difference there? It's quite a useful shortcut, this. And then we've got n'importe comment. Any old way. Sometimes you say to children, ne fais pas ça n'importe comment. Don't do this any old way. What it means is don't do this the wrong way, but that's how we say it. Tu as mis la table n'importe comment. You set the table any old way. And that's it, really. Now I'm going to show you how to incorporate importe in expressions. First one, you cannot live without. C'est n'importe quoi. Or, c'est du grand n'importe quoi. I'll show you the difference. C'est n'importe quoi means it's rubbish. C'est du grand n'importe quoi. It's complete rubbish. Or, it's completely ridiculous. It's up to you. You could say rubbish, nonsense, bullshit, anything. That's what it means. C'est n'importe quoi is not rude. So, you wouldn't use it for anything stronger than rubbish, really. Love this one. Enfin, peu importe. If somebody is going on and on about something they couldn't do but should have done with a lame excuse, you say, oui, enfin, peu importe. Anyway, it doesn't matter. That's what it means. In this case, peu importe, importer is from important, so it's not important. That's what it means. You could even say, yeah, whatever. Peu importe. Means the same. And that's it. I hope that was useful to you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Comment below if you want. For anything else, go to FrenchinTheMidlands.com and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.